Good morning, student. Now today we are going to write letter A to J, capital and small letter in 4-line notebook. Now open the notebook. Okay. In previous video we learned and wrote letter J. कहाँ तक लिखा हमने? Letter J. Now today we are going to write down capital and small letter A to J. Write down here on top. Write capital W, small r, T. Write down here W, capital R, small I, T, E. Write capital C, A, P, I, T, L, capital letter, capital and small letter, letters, capital A, small a to capital J to small j. Okay, you have to write down 2 times. Capital and small letters A to J, write down 2 times. Okay, now in corner you have to write down today's date. Here write down, take a pencil, sharp your pencil and write down here capital A, then small a, okay, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital, then write down next line capital E, write down small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h. Okay, then on third line capital I, small I, then capital J, small j. Okay, you have to write down A to J here. Now again we will write down capital A, small a, after A capital B, small b, then capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, small I, capital J, small j. Okay, now student, like this you have to write down. Now again here we will write down A to J letter. Write down very properly. Okay, capital A, then small a. The sound of A is A. Capital B, write down small b. The sound of B is B. Keep distance. Distance रखना है आपको. Capital C, small c. Then capital D, small d. Keep distance. On next line capital E, small e. Capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h. See, इस तरह से आपको डिस्टेंस रखना है. ओके, कैपिटल I, small I and capital J, small j. You have to write down like this. Okay student, and keep distance, यानी आपको डिस्टेंस रखना है लेटर्स के बीच में. जैसे यहाँ पर कैपिटल और स्मॉल ए लिखा है, उसके बाद में थोड़ा डिस्टेंस रखा है, फिर यहाँ पे बी, कैपिटल एंड स्मॉल, देन कीप डिस्टेंस अगेन. राइट डाउन कैपिटल सी, स्मॉल सी, लाइक दिस यू हैव टू. विच साउंड यू हैव टू से? व्हाट इज द साउंड ऑफ लेटर ए? द साउंड ऑफ ए इज आ. Sound of B is B. Sound of C is K. Sound of D is D. Sound of E is A. Sound of F is F. Sound of G is G. sound of H is H, sound of I is E, sound of J is J. Okay, you have to say with sound and write down letter A to J, capital and small. You have to write down 2 pages, student. 1 page here and another page here. Okay, मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा है, आपको 2 times लिखना है, एक 1 पेज यहाँ पर और 2nd पेज यहाँ पे. Okay, writing should be properly. Revise later again and again and identify letter again and again. We will meet next video. Till then, bye bye student.